In this video, I'm going to show you how to export tracks in Studio One or Studio Pro. Now, when you open your project and you want to export specific tracks, you want to go to the top left and click on Session, and then from here, click on Export Stems. You could also press Ctrl plus Shift plus E if you want to. I'm just going to click on over here. Then here you have the option of channels and tracks. I'm just going to click on tracks over here, and as you can see, you can check mark the tracks which you want to export. So I'm going to go with the first two over here. Then you can of course select the location as well, and of course the file name prefix, and you have the option to select the format as well as your resolution and sample rate, and you have the export range as well. I'm just gonna do session content over here, but you could also do like between loops, between markers, selections, etc. Okay, then you can of course select these options over here by clicking the check marks, and then just click on the OK button, and your tracks are going to be exported just like that. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.